fast previewing your timeline. I'm going to give you a small tip here, which is very interesting and somehow very useful. Do you remember when we went to the source tape? So it aligned all the clips for us, and we pressed fast preview here, or fast review, so we can see them at a certain speed, and the long clips will be speedier somehow. Now you can do the same for the timeline. You can fast review the timeline. Let's go to the beginning here, and let's fast review the timeline. Now notice every clip is going to play through its nominal speed, or a bit faster. And the long clips, you will notice now, they're going to play much faster. You notice how it started running the timeline here. This is a way to be able to see your timeline a bit faster. Of course, if you had a 2-3 minutes or 10 minutes video, it will be really useful. That was the fast review for the timeline. I hope you will use it.